This 2026 Forest River Lost Pines Hemlock is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features a woodland decor interior, sleeps 5, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Lost Pines Hemlock is 14,421 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.